Hello the internet. Welcome to another CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshop. Today we're going to show you how to make a bubble snake. First of all, we're going to start with bubble mixture. Okay, so to make a small amount, I'll get a tablespoon. This is actually a serving spoon, but again, doesn't matter, it's all about ratios. I'll get 2 spoons of water. 1, 2, and I get 1 spoon of washing up liquids. 2 to 1 ratio. And you kind of need to get this in gently. You don't want to stir it up and make lots of bubbles. We're going to make our bubbles later. Nice. Now we're going to make the bubble snake. To do that, you will need a plastic bottle. You won't need the lid. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need a sock. Make sure it's a clean sock. It can be an old sock, but you don't want any holes in the toes. And it's going to need to be able to fit over the bottle. So if you have a small bottle, you need a small sock. If you've got a big bottle like this, you need a grown-up sock. You also need an elastic band. Step 1, we're going to snip the bottom off the bottle. Now my bottle's a bit of a crazy shape, so I'm going to snip mine here. So it's all the same kind of width, because that's where we're going to put our sock. You might need an adult to help you pierce the bottle. This is a bit hard. One way to do this safely is to squeeze your bottle just a little bit. You don't want to break it, so you've got a slightly flat piece there, and you can just snip it. There you go. And then you can put your scissors in that little cut, and then you can very easily cut around the bottle. Get your sock, and put it over the big open end you've just cut. No one said science was ever easy. Hand, grip, the sock is on, push it all the way to the end. Now you want to be able to see the mouthpiece, so you just fold this back again. Now my sock isn't really in much danger of falling off, but if yours is, this is where your elastic band comes in. There we go, just hold it in place. Now, if you've done this right and your sock isn't too thick, you should be able to blow through this with no trouble at all. Okay. Moment of truth. Here's some bubble mixture. Give it a good soaking. Whoa! And keep blowing. Whoa! This would be great in the bath. And your snake of bubbles is forming. Look at the size of this! Wow! How cool is that? Now you could do this outside, or you could take this into the bath and just have fun making great big long crazy bubble snakes. There you go, bubble snake. And of course you can easily wash this and remake it and reuse it whenever you want. I love it! We hoped you enjoyed this workshop. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or the usual places at Innovation Stew or hashtag Innovation Stew. And check the home workshops page on innovationstew.com.au for extra resources. See you next time!